What's up, everyone? We are Team Kalog, and this is our vlog/podcast. So before we talk about the things that we want you to be informed, let's find a better place first. So paano? Teleport? 1, 2, 3... Is this a better place? But anyways, again, welcome to the new episode of Team Kalog, where two legendary philosophers will be tackled. The first one is John Locke.
The Mr. Blank Slate.
And the second one is Herbert Spencer.
The brightest good guy.
And wait, did you notice something?
I think yes, because
Nasa si
other one
Sherwin.
is missing.
Okay, baka naiwan, balik tayo. Okay, teleport ulit tayo. 1, 2, 3. Sherwin.
Wala si Sherwin.
Natutulog.
Kago ko.
Gisingin nyo.
Uy. Oh,
Ano yun?
wag.
Nandiyan pala kayo.
Oy, Nobita, did you know John Locke?
Hindi eh.
Do you know what's his philosophy in life or in education?
Not yet.
Well, let me share to you that John Locke believes that we are all born with empty minds. It's like we are only download knowledge through experience or senses. And he called that tabula rasa, means a blank slate.
So, wala po tayong mga alam na, no?
Yes, that's right.
But, let me share you the philosophy of Herbert Spencer.
Go ahead.
Herbert Spencer, he believed the concept of utilitarianism. It means that the greatest good for the greatest number. Or, mas iniisip niya yung nakararami. And, he focused more on practical. Kumbaga, yung mga gamit natin sa pang-araw-araw.
That's good. What if pagsamahin kaya natin sila sa modern society today, no?
Parang maganda yan na.
But before that, sige, let's call on first yung mga ka-wonder pets natin para mas maraming mind, di ba? Mas maraming mind, mas maraming
Ideas.
yes, that's right. So, mas maraming mind, mas maraming ideas. So, let's go. Okay. So, here we are, the Team Kalog and / ka-wonder pets. So, formally inform you the two philosophies of the two philosophers that we mentioned earlier. Here, we are brainstorming and sharing our ideas and knowledge. Do you have any idea, guys? What could be our title for this new concept? How about you, Jay?
Actually, I plan to say use and feel education.
Use and feel. That sounds good. How about the others?
I think knowledge and action.
Knowledge and actions. I think there's more.
I have something in mind. What about experience of life?
Experience of life. That's a great idea. Let me think. But I have mine. How about senses through reality?
Sounds great.
That's a great idea. So, that's a title. So, our title for this new concept is Senses through Reality. Let's stick to the point. Let's stick to our title. So, again, what's our title?
Senses through reality.
What senses through reality? Do you have an idea?
Senses to reality because senses is not really. Ibig sabihin, ginagamit na natin sila sa pang-araw-araw natin. For example na lang is pagluluto. Diba, gusto natin kumain, ginagamit natin ng ating pag-asa.
Yeah, so it's basically existing.
Yes, it's important.
In our daily life, in our daily lives. So, totoo naman talaga na nandun na talaga yung senses. It's up to us
example, sense of touch. Like you, when you encourage someone, tatanggalin mo nila.
Yes, that's right. Tama. Para malaman nila na nag-care sa kanila may
Yeah. Yeah, you guys got that point. You know? So that's how it works when we say senses to reality. Because the reality, we cannot separate the senses through reality.
So, in generally speaking, our concept in senses of reality, hindi lang tayo patungkol lang sa mga senses na ginagamit natin sa mga araw. Hindi kasi sapat sa, especially here in 21st century, hindi sapat na makalim pala, ang lahat, hindi pwede doon. So, let's say for example, alam mo kung bagay mo, nararamdaman mo ba? No. We cannot be so numb. Hindi natin pwedeng i-ignore yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid natin na hindi porket alam natin yung bagay. Hindi natin nararamdaman. Hindi mo pa rin alam natin, nararamdaman mo natin yung especially no. So, para sa akin, sense of true reality is very important factors para sa ating mga tao na especially ngayon na nabubuhay ngayon sa 21st century.
Yeah. So, tama. Because the senses itself, hindi naman talaga siya tinuturo. Hindi naman talaga siya tinuturo. So, naaaral natin siya sa pamagitan ng sarili. Tuturunan natin siya. That's normally, naturally, na nangyayari through the bodies of everyone. So, let's both apply that. Let's go.
Well, anyways, let's talk about the application of our concept, which entitled Senses Through Reality. In this concept, lessons are alive. For example, in English, instead of just writing an essay about corruption, why not interview someone about their stand about it? This can lead for the betterment of our society, as the ideas of the people are being considered. Another is mathematics. Instead of just sitting and solving a problem, why not make it a business for the benefits of the mass? And lastly, in physical education, where our ability to run can serve as a way to compete for the contest and serve as a representative for our nations.
Yes, sir. To summarize what we have learned today, we will share our reflection sa concept ko na nagawa or ginawa ko ng grupo namin.
Diyan lang in our discussion, make it voice. We can choose, we don't need to one of them. They are not the law. So actually, sa perspective, may mga madadali ng mga experts na nakatuloy na isang bagay ito, niya. So, hindi natin pwede kumpisi lang sa inyo na yun ang pinapaniwala. Kasi nasa rin ito yung ideology, ito yung pinapaniwala, yun yung pinapaniwala. So, in philosophy of education, always remember that no one can tell you what entry to us. Because at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang makakasal ko. Ikaw pa rin ang makakasal ko kung paano ma-implement ito. So, education is for all. So, might as well use education for better purposes.
Yeah, that's right. And but for me, I have learned we have to, yes, we are given a senses. A sense of hearing, a sense of touch, a sense of smell, and so on. For me, we have to use it. We have to maximize those senses that we have to learn and to grow perfectly in our society. Thank you for listening, guys, and for staying with us. I hope you learned something. So see you in our next vlog. Bye!